To continue our conversations, combining like terms, we talked about alpha order and descending order. Now we're going to push all that together using the distributive, associative, commutative properties. We'll start with 5, again, write this down as I say it, times the sum of 3n squared plus 2m minus 18m plus 6n squared. The very first thing we are going to do is distribute. I would have 15n squared plus 10m. I am now going to just carry down negative 18m plus 6n squared. When we put these in bubbles or separate the terms and start combining them, that is really the associative property. You can add in any order. I'm going to go in alphabetical order. M comes first. These are identical, so I would have negative 8m. Then I will have 15n squared with 6 more at the end for a total of positive 21n squared. That one was very straightforward. So now let's try another. 3 times the sum negative 4r squared plus 3s squared plus 3r squared minus 4s squared. Again, similar to the last math problem, we are going to distribute first negative 12r squared plus 9s squared, copying down these terms, 3r squared minus 4s squared. Combining my terms, r comes before s. R squared's in both bubbles, so I will use the associative property and combine to get a total of negative r squared. Those are both s squareds. 9 minus 4 is positive 5s squared. Finally, a little more challenging one. Negative 2 times the sum 4x squared plus 3x minus 9 plus 2 times the quantity x squared minus 2x minus y. Wowzers. But here we go. We're going to distribute first negative 8x squared minus 6x. I am going to just copy the negative 9 term down. Here I have a number written right next to parentheses. That means multiplication. So I will need to distribute that positive 2 to everything inside the parentheses. So I will get positive 2x squared minus 4x minus 2y. Didn't put plus 4x plus a negative 2y. I am going to circle my terms to keep positives and negatives straight. Alphabetical order, x's come first. Descending order, I notice I have x squareds here for a total of negative 6x squareds. Here are x's with that invisible 1 exponent, so I have negative 6 and 4 more negatives for a total of negative 10 x's. Those are used, cross them out. Oh, I have 2 terms left. Y's, don't have anything to combine with them, so I will just write them down. And a constant of negative 9.